speakers. First of all, on behalf of all the students, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to Sayadaw for sharing the Dhamma with us. I'm sure all of us have gotten much benefit. Also, we would like to thank the Institute of Dhamma Education and all the persons that has helped and support in so many ways to make such good conditions possible. Thank you very much. Today, the 17th of November 2019, we would like to close our English Dhamma course on Paticcasamuppada with a closing ceremony. We will start with chanting Namo Tassa 3 times. Then we will ask for forgiveness by reciting Okasa and request Sayadaw to give 5 precepts to lay participants and receive our offerings. After that, Sayadaw will present a certificate of attendance to all the students and give us some advice. Dear Venerables, Dhamma brothers and sisters, may we now start the ceremony by chanting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Now let's pay homage to Sayadaw and ask for forgiveness by reciting Okasa. Okasa, 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 Mayam Bante, Ati Gambirancha, Paticca Samuppada Katham Kataram, Sila Samadhi Panyadihi, Gunehi Samanagatam, Mahachariyam Annena, Abhivadaneya, Vandama, 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 Mayam Bante, Imehi, Parikarehi, Dhammena, Suladehi, Vantuhi, Bhavaniyehi, Achariyasa, Padamule, Onojayama, Pujayama, Patiganhatano Bante, Imani, Parikarani, Anukampam, Upadaya, Yani Kani Chihi Bante, Kaya Kamani, Vaji Kamani, Mano Kamani, Pamadena, Amlehi, Katani Honti, Tani Ayasma, Achayani, Achayato, Patiganhata, Adiwaseta, Kamata, Ayati, Samvaraya. Okasa, Okasa, Okasa. We pay homage with this salutation to the great teacher who has preached the very deep Paticcasamuppada discourse and who is endowed with virtues such as Sila, Samadhi, Panya, etc. We respectfully offered in the food of the teacher these requisites which were well accumulated according to the Dhamma. Please accept these requisites out of compassion. Whatever bodily actions, verbal actions, and mental actions done by us because of negligence, please, Venerable Sayadaw, take those mistakes as mistakes, accept and forgive us for the sake of restraint in the future. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sabitiyo vivachantu sogoroko vinasatu Madi bhavan tundaraya sukhitiga yuko bhava Abhivadana sileja neja oda pachayino Jadaro dhamma vadantu ayuvono sukham balam.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now may we request Sayadaw to give the 5 precepts to lay participants. Aham bante tisarane saha pancha silam damam yachami anugam gatawa silam data me bante tutiyampi aham bante tisarane saha pancha silam damam yachami anugam gatawa silam data me bante tatiyampi aham bante tisarane saha pancha silam damam yachami anugam gatawa silam data me bante
Yama wadami dan wadita.
ama bante
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Buddham saranam gacchami.
Buddham saranam gacchami.
Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Sangham saranam gacchami.
Sangham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Sangham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Sangham saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Sangham saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Sangham saranam gacchami.
Sarana kamanam paripurnam.
Amabante.
Panati pada viramani sikkhavadam samadhiyami.
Panati pata veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
Adena dana viramani sikkhavadam samadhiyami.
Adina dana veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
Kami sumichachara viramani sikkhavadam samadhiyami.
Kamesu michachara veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
Musawada viramani sikkhavadam samadhiyami.
Musawada veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
Sura miraya maja pamadatana viramani sikkhavadam samadhiyami.
Surameraya maja pamadatana veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
Idam me silam
Idam me silam
nibbanassa
nibbanassa
baccayo
paceyo
hodu
hotu.
tisarane na saha panca silam dhamman sarukan kadawa apamadi na sambadita.
Amabante. Now may we invite our representative to please come over to offer our offerings to Sayadaw. Sayadaw, please kindly receive our offerings. Sadhu, sadhu.